my hair would be in the car. Take this fucking annoying ass key though. Listen to that. Not that trunk. So now, you looking for a place to shit? Oh, okay. My little bag. Alright, let me show y'all what I got in my bags. You got protection, just in case, you know, somebody try to get funny. Got braid gel, clips, a plethora of combs, 2 different brushes, some Blue Magic just in case we need it. Blue Magic! Got that old school pink lotion for the touch up for the end. Yeah. Got that eco style. Got that. And 2 leftover packs of hair from when I did my twist. We're gonna see what we can do with this. I got a mirror too, but it's in my other bag and I don't feel like getting it. So I honestly don't know what we're doing. Like, it's getting, I'm only gonna be able to do 2 braids, but ready ponytails? Real for real, I got 2 new little bundles in this little piece of this blend, the blue and lavender blend, and then I just have 1 little bundle of that black. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do, cause that's not enough. I gotta part my hair, and since I don't feel like going to get the camera, the mirror in the front. Since I don't feel like going to get my mirror from the trunk, I'm gonna use this. Forgot to comb my hair first. Depression took my hair. My hair was so long. Oh my gosh, depression took my hair. Nobody talks about that enough. My hair was down to my bra strap, B. I did trim it after I seen that my hair was, what depression was doing to it. I did trim it. I just got sad and trimmed it, so I'm technically starting over. But yep, a bitch don't sweat. You see me sweating? I just had to wipe. You see me glistening up here like I got a fucking mustache? Be easy on my hair. Be easy on me, because this makes me sad. To know where my hair was and where it's at right now is sad. It makes me cry. I have cried many days over my hair. Many a times. Baby had to console me. So be nice. Time to part. I still don't know what I'm gonna do. I do not have a lot of hair, so I'm grown as fuck. Should I do 2 pigtails? Or should I just do a ponytail? That way I ain't gotta worry about parting shit. But I only have 1 thing with black in it. And my hair is not 1 bead anymore. It's like a tool. Separate the front from the back. Got the middle? Okay. I forgot to tell y'all I got water too. Just in case I need that bitch. I ain't gonna hold you, I'm getting frustrated because I don't know what to do. I got bobby pins. I know what I could do. I ain't playing. I got rubber bands too. I know what I could do. First things first, I'm slicking these back. Like, you see how they pinned up in the ponytails? I'm slicking them into ponytails. So that's what we're gonna do first. The one with the lavender, I'm gonna put both 1 on each side, and then I'm gonna take the extra hair that I had of this color and the black, mix it with the black, and that's gonna be the ponytail in the back. You'll see. By the way, I'm at 750. Blink. See that? I ain't do the back though. Let me do the back. I got gel on my charger, and I fucking put it inside my fucking phone because I didn't know I had gel on it, and now this shit won't charge. So we're working with 12% right now. Anyways, do the back. I'm getting pissed because now I can't even charge my phone. It's talking about I gotta wait till it dries. How the fuck do you wait? How long does it take for gel to dry? Fucking forever. So now I can't find the fucking brush. That's why why my arms be hurt. Stupid ass brush. It was on the fucking floor. Brush this shit, bro. I'm getting pissed. Like, brush it. Do what you do. Perimeter gel on the inside, that braid gel on the outside. Okay, on the perimeter. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? I done did all of that just for it not to be the way I needed to fucking be? What the fuck? Like, for real. Damn. Braid the back, okay? Just put it in the braid. However the fuck you do your ponytail, just stand on here and just attach it to your ponytail. Like, you see the rubber band that come on here. All I did was take it out of the pack. We're gonna put the rubber band on. Next, I'm gonna just braid this. It's gonna be a little loose at the top because I needed to cover my bun. We're gonna loosely braid it. Well, not loosely, but we're gonna braid it. Braid, twist, whatever the fuck you wanna do it. I'm braiding it. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's no pissy over here. Once you got it braided, you're gonna flop it over, right? The part that you have loose, that's what you're gonna use to cover your bun with, right? See, bun. You're gonna get a bobby pin. You're gonna like so. I only did one because you only need one. You're only covering up your bun. Do the same thing. Okay, I'm doing face buns. So we gonna braid these to the end, and then we gonna wrap it around. Yeah, should I face bun it? Yo, I crashed out, y'all. I crashed out. Okay, I crashed out. Should I? But so all I did was just bun up the back. That's it. I just bunned up the back. Okay, that's it. Now what should I do with the front? Leave these down or space bun it. But then I'm gonna have three buns. Like nah, kid. I think I'm gonna leave the braids down. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave them down. Yeah. We're gonna leave them down. All right, we decided to leave them down. So all I did was put some pins in there, some bobby pins. Like I said, this is only a style for the weekend. Like anybody got. If you see me with this longer than the weekend, just mind your business, okay? See the pins, but I don't care. All right, now let's do some edges. I have the scissors back there to take care of the ends. I'm about to crash out again. I can't even I can't see. You see how the bobby pin sticking out right there? Push that bitch in. If somebody can see a bobby pin, they too fucking close to you. And if they care, they need to mind their business. Like, motherfuckers need to learn how to mind their business. Like, who cares, okay? We just trying to get through the summer. Do your edges how you like them. I don't really like edges like that. I just swoop them. Because that's what I do. I need this mirror. I need this fucking mirror. I'll be back. I slicked my hair back. I ain't do much to the edges, but I did flip one time, give little mini space buns up here with the braids out. And I think it's so fucking cute. Y'all, like, put the shades on. Oh, she ate. She ate in the car. Why you in? I know. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. This is so cute. They have space buns with the braids right here and the space bun back here. Yeah. Because who the fuck gonna tell me something about my hair? No fucking body. I guarantee you nobody's gonna say anything to me about my hair. The only thing they're gonna say about my hair is it's cute. Or they're just gonna stare. Because they think it's cute. Oh, mama got her hair done. Y'all wanna see the mess I made in my front seat? Let me show y'all. This the mess. Well, if y'all enjoyed this, let me know in the comments below. If y'all want more of my hair series in the car, let me know. Because I'm gonna keep doing them whether or not y'all want to see them. My hair is getting done in the car, okay? Because it forces me to do a quick style, and that's just that. So, don't forget to go over to my YouTube, Life of Kiki 16. Subscribe over there. My podcast with my baby, Hi From Below podcast. Go subscribe over there. Yeah. Follow my hair TikTok at Your Old School Hairstylist. I'm gonna tag in this video. That's me. I'm gonna tag my pages. You can find me at Your Old School Hairstylist on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Over here, I just bullshit. You know, I don't bullshit. Actually, this is hair. No, this gonna go on my hair page, but this also gonna go on my other page too. Yeah, whatever. This is my hair page. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm not putting it nowhere else. I might put it somewhere else. I'm not sure, but y'all just make sure y'all follow me, okay? All right, I'll see y'all next time. Time to roll a spliff. Deuces.